Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OVHcloud VPS access with SSH and firewall rules, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, access your OVHcloud control panel. Log in with your credentials to the dashboard. Locate the section dedicated to your VPS services. Click on your specific VPS instance to enter its management interface. Find the Access and Security settings. Here, note the public IP address of your VPS. Next, open your terminal application on your local machine. Type SSH root at your VPS IP, replacing your VPS IP with the public IP address. Press Enter to initiate the SSH connection. If this is your first connection, you'll see a prompt about the authenticity of the host. Type Yes to continue connecting. You will then be prompted for your root password. Enter your password and press Enter. Once connected, you will see a command line indicating you are logged into your VPS. Now, let's set up your firewall rules. First, check if UFW is installed by typing sudo of status. If it's not installed, you can install it using sudo apt. Check that the rules are applied by typing sudo of status. You should see that OpenSSH is allowed. For additional security, configure your firewall to deny all other incoming connections. Type sudo of default deny incoming. Then, you can allow outgoing connections by using sudo of default allow outgoing. This confirms your firewall rules are correctly configured. For added security, consider setting up SSH key authentication. Generate an SSH key pair on your local machine using SSH keygen. Follow the prompts to create your key files. Next, copy your public key to your VPS with the command SSH copy ID root at your VPS IP. Enter your password when prompted to complete the key setup. Once done, you can log in without using your password by simply typing SSH root at your VPS IP. To enhance security further, disable password authentication. Open the SSH configuration file with sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Find the line that reads password authentication yes and change it to password authentication no. Save the file and exit the text editor. Restart the SSH service with sudo systemcll restart SSH. Your OVHcloud VPS is now secure and ready for use. You can connect safely using SSH and your customized firewall rules. Remember to keep your software updated for ongoing security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.